Well, Wisconsin Senator Tammy Baldwin in Prairie du Chien today, visiting multiple emergency services locations. Baldwin helping secure nearly $5 million in federal funding for the construction of a new public safety center in Prairie du Chien. News 19's Crystal Flintrop was there today. So what can you tell us about the new center?
Heather, this new public safety center will house the Prairie du Chien Police Department, Fire Department, and local emergency services. I spoke to numerous people within these agencies, and they say a new center has been a long time coming.
Without this money, this project would not be a reality. That's just a fact.
Prairie du Chien fire and police departments are seeing a light at the end of the tunnel when it comes to a new space due to the help from Senator Tammy Baldwin.
Throughout Wisconsin, helping communities make sure that they're able to respond to emergencies, and to make sure that they have the facilities that they need and the equipment they need to respond. So I was able to secure nearly $5 million in rural development funding for this facility. It will be roughly half the cost of construction.
The new public safety center, which will be located on East Taylor Street, is providing the local police department with a safer work environment.
Our testing just isn't adequate. It's not safe. So we're looking for fume hoods. We're looking for areas of first approach on the building. So when they get out of their cars, they're not contaminating our entire building in their testing process.
And the Prairie du Chien Fire Department will be getting a much-needed upgrade to their space.
We have 5 separate buildings at this point, and so having equipment in 5 buildings on the same ground is not really efficient. It's not good for response times. We don't have ADA compatibility in our buildings. NFPA standards are not here. We have a lot of deficiencies that we really need to correct. And the thing is, since the 70s, fire equipment has gotten a lot bigger, a lot longer, and they just don't fit in our buildings.
With the police and fire departments under one roof, it'll provide an opportunity for the two departments to continue working together.
Our relationship with our fire department is better than it's been in the last probably 15, 20 years as far as working together. The more we work together, the more we are prepared for those mass casualty, those natural disaster incidents that we hope never occur, but when they do occur, we have to work together on and solve the problem together.
Police Chief Kyle Tenor says that the new public safety center will also be a community space. He says the initial plan is to have a gym that is open to city employees and a community room, Heather, that can be rented out for parties and events.
All right, sounds good. Thank you, Crystal. The city currently has proposals out for architects, and they hope to break ground next spring.